Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals. We're here on a move out cleaning and we have finished the rooms here. There were 3 carpeted bedrooms and we also have wood floors as well. Okay. We did the carpets first because they take the longest to dry, and now we're going to do the wood floors now. We are going to clean the floors and prep them for the next tenant. So we got the floor scrubber here. So we're going to deep clean the floors. Stay tuned for the process. Here's all the dirty water. Look at that. Look at the color of that from the floor. Wow. Hello, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. Well, this is the second part of the cleaning of the wood floor. We already did the intensive floor cleaning. So we put down a floor cleaner that emulsifies the dirt, which turns it into a liquid. And then we extracted it, which sucked it out of the floors so it's not laying there. When you mop, you're just moving the dirt from one spot to another. And that's what's creating a lot of the film and the residue that's on the wood floor, like that darkness here. Now we can't correct that. The only way to correct this darkness here is by sanding, doing a light screening, which we do provide. Do a screen and a recoat. That's where we'll get rid of this browning here and some of the fraying. As well on this side as well. These floors do need sanded and refinished. But they're not here to do that. We're just here to do the deep cleaning of the floors. And they're looking good so far. So now I'm going to spray down the solution. So this is our natural cleaner. I'm just spraying the solution down. You don't need a lot, just a light mist of the floor area that I'm going to be doing. And then we're going to buff the floor. We're going to really work it in. And what this is going to do is it's going to work it into the wood grain and also into the floor itself. Like I did say, these stains here on the floor, the way to correct that would be a sand and recoat. So you would sand the floors and then recoat them. You also have to stain the floors to get them back to their color that you would like of your choosing. And that would get rid of this fading and dark areas of the floor. As you can see, we're just buffing it into the floors, the cleaner. As you can see, it's giving it a nice little shine there on the floor. Okay. So it's really rejuvenating the color back into the wood here. And this is good for your floors because this has no acrylic or no soaps or detergents in it. So it's not going to eat away or leave a film or sticky residue. In the summertime, you may find that your wood floors are sticky. And when it's humid outside, you'll hear it, stick when you're walking. And that's what we're getting rid of. All right, this is Brandon with Be Clean Professionals here. We have finished the wood floors and the 3-bedroom carpet. These floors came out great. I do want to show you some blemishes that I also want to share with the customer as well. Here, there's some hazing in here. You can see the different coloration in the wood. Also here, it's the eating area, get worn down. The wax is worn down off of here already, and it's into the grain of the wood. So it now needs a sand and recoat. So I'm gonna let the customer know that. This is a rental property. Here we go, that bedroom here. Another room here. And the very last room. All right. Carpets are pretty much dry all the way. They'll probably be like another hour. I've been here for 2.5 hours. Carpets take 2.5 to 3 hours to dry. So the wood floors are all finished here and they're looking good. They're not sticky anymore. Can't hear any stickiness. So they're all ready to go for the next tenant. All right, stay tuned for the next cleaning.